In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete liked videos on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube mobile application. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and once you've done that, go right here to your library, and that's where we can easily find the playlists section. If we tap at view all, it will show us all our playlists, and among them we can easily find a liked playlist that is automatically created YouTube playlist, and if we tap on it, it will show us all the videos we have liked from a particular YouTube account. Then if we would like to delete some liked videos from here, as you can see, I got just 2 videos in that playlist, and all we have to do in order to delete some is just tap on it and then tap at remove from liked. That's how you can easily delete liked videos on YouTube.